Hello everybody, Lonna here. I'm here with a big announcement, the one you've all been waiting for. I've got my membership group ready. You can sign up at lonnalam.com. There's 3 ways to sign up. You can sign up for a monthly plan, a yearly plan, or from the 8th until the 11th of October 2025, you can sign up for an OG plan, which you are original plan members. You will be a lifetime member. You will never have to pay another penny. Just that one-time fee, and you'll be a member for life. So go over to lonnalam.com and check it out. I'm going to quickly show you quick little project that I've already put on the private Facebook page that once you become a member I will add you to, and you can just, once you're on there, you can just go right over and download it. This cute little peppermint and the bear laying on top of it. I thought it was so cute. I titled it "To All a Good Night." So you can grab that on the private Facebook page. It's under guides, and the file is also in the files tab. So you can get it in 2 places. Right now I've got it in the 2 places. I'm not sure how I'll adjust that for now. So I hope that you guys are going to join me. So many of you said I'm ready for you to have a membership group. As soon as you get it, I plan on joining. So I've got it now, and I've got lots of plans and ideas lined up for you guys. So I can't wait to be a part of this group with you. So I hope you'll sign up today. I'll see you soon. lonnalam.com. Bye-bye.